Phillips screwdriver, you can undo these screws and lift the cover off to reveal the thermostats underneath. The cycling thermostat is the one with the dial. That's located closest to me. And the high-temp cutout thermostat is the one with the raised portion here. When it trips, you'll see a button pop up from the center of that, and to reset it, you just push the button down. That resets the heater, and you'll be ready to operate again. That can happen if there's no oil flow going through the heaters and the unit is turned off or started without oil in it, and it can quickly reach that cutout temperature and can sometimes trip the heater. We're making a lot of new content to help you reduce costs and make better maintenance decisions. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos. And remember, don't drain it, maintain it.